Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the contact list and find the contact which we'd like to edit. Then tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner and let me quickly remove the photo. What you have to do is to simply tap on Add Picture or the circle here. And now we've got either device photos or Google Photos. In the device photos, we can open our own gallery or tap on the camera and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. And in Google Photos, we've got our backed up photos. So let me pick the camera and let me take a photo of this logo. All right, we've got it. So now just tap on the stick icon to confirm. And now in this step, we can change the position of our photo. We can zoom it in or out. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on Choose to confirm. Now let's tap on Save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.